The first comes from the Small Business Administration and the Department of Labor. This was reported on smallbiztrends.com last week. And the news is that the Small Business Administration, SBA, and the Department of Labor, DOL, have taken a significant step to bolster American manufacturing with the signing of a new Memorandum of Understanding. This agreement aims to streamline collaboration and data sharing to support domestic producers, and a staggering 98% of these are small businesses. So what does this mean for you as a small manufacturer? Maybe you want to start up a manufacturing business, or maybe you already own one as well. Well, the Memorandum of Understanding comes with these key benefits, right? Number one, there will be enhanced training programs. There will be an expansion of the registered apprenticeship program, which means that more skilled workers entering the manufacturing sector. This will help businesses find employees with the right training and qualifications to meet their operational needs. Number two, there will be more access to financial resources. The SBA will provide cross-training to Department of Labor people on various loan programs, including their 7A and 504 loan programs. These loans can be pivotal in helping small businesses finance their necessary growth. Number three, there will be a streamlined interagency cooperation, a more coordinated approach between the SBA and Department of Labor. It'll lead to more efficient delivery of resources. And finally, it will mean a lot of support for domestic suppliers. Through initiatives like the onshoring portal, small businesses can now connect with over 1 million domestic suppliers. This empowers job creators to shift supply chains back to the U.S., promoting local economic growth and reducing reliance on foreign entities. So what do you do? Well, if you're a small manufacturer in this country, I strongly recommend that you reach out to your local Small Business Administration office or Small Business Development Center that's near you. I think you should spend some time on their website as well. Learn more about these programs. You can get enhanced support for training, for financing, and for finding suppliers for your manufacturing business as well. New programs that should be very much of interest to you.